I'm Julia.
And I'm Geordie, and we are the co-founders of Great Wrap.
We're going to tell you today about how we're changing the landscape of plastics. We started Great Wrap 3 years ago, born out of frustration. We were working in architecture and wine. We were shipping pallets around the world every day. It was wrapped in petroleum-based plastic, and there wasn't a solution that existed yet. So we decided to make our own.
Saw other industries rapidly evolving and saw this incredibly exciting opportunity as energy, transport, agriculture had changed dramatically in our lifetimes, but really plastic hadn't changed much at all.
We knew the timing was right because we could see global leaders making promises around plastic and cutting down their usage all over the globe.
And we also understood that people were starting to vote with their dollar as we shift to the conscious economy.
So with that being said, we decided to collaborate with universities and biotechnology processing specialists to develop a home-compostable stretch wrap made from food waste.
We also believed in building our company that profit and impact could coexist.
So from a product perspective, we launched our pilot factory in April of this year. That's where we manufacture our home-compostable stretch wrap for home. Since that launch, we've had over 30,000 users pick up Great Wrap in Australia alone. We've had an incredible amount of press just based on the excitement around this technology existing. Our team has gone from just the two of us to over 30 now, so it's been very rapid.
And we're also starting to work with some of Australia's most iconic and even the world's largest companies as well in running trials on wrapping pallets and sending them around the world. And we'll be commissioning our second factory where we can supply these folks in March next year. We've also been developing a whole new technology process, working with 3 biotech firms and Australia's largest university, in which we can convert food waste into a marine degradable and home compostable biopolymer for the same price as petroleum-based plastic. And to achieve all of these great things, we believe it's critical we have a vertically integrated model as well.
So there's really no competition for Great Wrap when you put it all in a line.
And we're scaling very, very quick with that first or second factory in March 2022. But we also have our eyes on factories in North America and Europe by the end of next year as well.
Our run rate is incredibly strong, and that's just with our domestic product today.
And by 2030, our goal is to make 10 million tonnes of PHA products every year.
We're a female-led team, and we're finding we're attracting incredible talent driven by our mission and excitement around putting an end to plastic.
And our investors are a lot like our friends as well. They're incredibly wise people and have been giving us incredible advice as we grow and supporting us to the point where they've given us a low interest loan of $15 million just to commission that second factory.
So if that sounds like someone like you, please reach out. We are in the middle of having conversations around our Series A. And thank you so much for listening.
Thank you.
Bye.